Hi, good day. This is Sheena, and I'm going to show you how to um, revise the price or edit the price in WSG. So what you have to do, you just need to grab the eBay user ID or the ASIN of the item. So for this training, um, I'll be using this price here. I'll be using this item here, the Elite Sports Hooky Ring Toss. So you can just go and um grab the ASIN in the Amazon link. Okay, then you just need to um go to eBay products at the upper left hand corner of WSG. Okay, then
Wait.
after that you just need to put the sign at, then just um paste the ASIN, then click on search products. Okay, so here you can see that we have found the item here. So this is the item. Or you can also use the user the item ID in eBay. Okay, so if you see, here is the eBay link, so you can see it in the link itself, the eBay ID. So you just go to WSG and you paste it here. So if it's the supplier's ASIN, guys, you need to put at the beginning of your search. So if it's the eBay ID only, no need to do that, okay? So if you search it, you will be also able to find the item using the eBay ID only. So let's check. Oh, one moment. I think I got the wrong eBay ID. Okay, I'll go grab it. Let's check. Oh, my bad. It's the competitor's eBay ID. Okay, so you have to go to our um eBay link, the one that you have listed. I'm so sorry. Okay, there. So let's go grab it. This one. It should be this one. Okay, so you search it and boom, there you go. That's our item. Okay, there. So here is the item. So for you to be able to revise or reprise the item, you just need to go to quick edit details. It's the pen sign or the pencil. Yeah, it's a pencil sign. So it you can edit your price there. So here at the field C, you just need to adjust this one. Okay, and then you will see your desired price here, how much you want to price the item here. So it should change here every time you change the value in field C. So it should change the your price. It should change the price of the item. Then after that, you just need to save calculation and that's good to go. But always always open your eBay link, guys, to check if the change of price already applied. Okay, and for you to be able to end an item or end a listing in eBay using WSG, you just need to um, click this and listing on eBay and um, follow the instructions to end it. So that's all. So thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye.